Hi, today I want to talk about why having lots of subscribers on YouTube doesn't always translate to making more money. Let's talk about it. Okay, so if you are a YouTuber, in other words, you make YouTubes weekly on YouTube, and you're getting around a couple of thousand subscribers, this insight that I've recently found out actually benefits you. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you have to have lots of subscribers in order to make money on YouTube. In fact, if you have around 2,000-3,000 subscribers more, you can actually make money from what I'm about to tell you. The reason I know this is because I was analyzing my YouTube videos, and recently I made 2 videos on a product that just was very hot. It was a Mavic Mini, and all of a sudden my traffic went right up, shot right up. I'm getting like a couple of thousand views in a week. It's incredible because I had 50 videos that I made in the past several months, and it wasn't even getting more than 50 view per video. So those 50 videos not even equal to, say, those 2 videos that I made. So what did I learn from that? Well, it doesn't mean I stop making videos and focus on these type of videos. I will continue on to do what I like, because that's what motivated me to do YouTube in the first place. I'm very passionate on my topic. I may not get the view that I wanted, but it motivated me to continue on to do YouTube, because see, when I make videos, it's always something that I enjoy, and it motivates me every day to do it, not necessarily because it's trendy. And that's where you have to find the balance. Let me show you the data actually, so you know what I'm talking about. Let's have a look at it right now. Okay, so if you can see here, when I make videos, you can see that I'm getting, like, if it's standard videos, I'm getting between 10, 20, 50 videos, and all of a sudden you see here I made a video on Mavic Mini. I have 556 views, and then 3,844. Those two, for example, combined together is more than about 50 of my videos that been watched. So that's kind of surprising, right? You're thinking, what's going on here? What I realize is that if you have something that you're passionate about, and even though you have a couple thousand subscribers, and you know that's trendy topics, and it's gonna be viewed, and most likely it's gonna be sponsored, you are gonna make a lot of money, even though you may only have a few thousand subscribers. Whereas people like myself, for example, make a little bit of money. Even though we have maybe 10,000, some people may have 20,000 subscribers, but they're not having a lot of traffic coming in. And it has to do with, because we're so focused on specific topics that not many people actually watch it. And it's not a bad thing. It just shows you're passionate about certain things, and there's only a small, narrow market for it. And sometimes there's not even a market for it. It's just a hobby, right? Things that you enjoy, and you cannot make money from that, and that's fine. And that's why I make video anyway. When I make video, it's not always about making money. It's always about how I enjoy that particular hobby of mine. And I have a lot of hobbies, right? So you'll see my video going from one topic to another, and that what motivated me to keep on going. So what I'm saying to you is, if you trying to make YouTube videos, and you want to continue this for, let's say, for a long time, try to find a balance. Okay, don't always think about money. Of course, you'll eventually make the money on YouTube, but you will also burn out as well. So because you always want to do something that people want to hear, or like, but you're not doing for yourself, right? So eventually you make the money, but you hate what you're doing. You're just driving, trying to get popular, trying to make money. Okay, so balance that out with what you enjoy. So what I would suggest you doing it is this: make 2 set of videos, maybe per week. So 2 videos per week, right? One video, it's gonna be trendy, things that people will like to watch, and most likely people will sponsor, companies will sponsor you, and you'll get a lot of hits. And then the other video is what you really like. And that's what I've been doing. I do what I really enjoy. And even though it's not popular, so what? It motivates you. You know, eventually, even though it's a narrow topic, eventually people will catch on and say, wow, this guy is so insightful. You know, he did this like 3-4 years ago and now we're catching on. So think about that, okay? So do something that you really like about something revolutionary, and then it's recorded, and then history will pay, right? In other words, when they go backwards, they realize you were one of the few in the world to came up with that topics. So think about that. And of course, you got to also fund your channel, so make sure you do the trendy stuff as well, okay? So don't lose hope. If you have a couple of thousand subscribers, you can make a lot of money, but also make sure you follow your heart and your passion on YouTube, and so you can keep going, and hopefully you reach your 1 million subscribers. All right, thanks for watching EducateTube.com.